Most budgeting apps are powerful, but they come with a monthly cost. But what if you could build your own AI-powered finance system, one that's clean, smart, and fully customizable? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that using Notion. No subscriptions needed. And if building's not your thing, I've got a free plug-and-play template waiting for you below. First, let's open Notion and create a brand new page. Give it a name. I'll call this one AI Finance Dashboard. You can also add an icon or a cover to make it visually easier to find later. Now let's build the structure. I'm adding 3 main sections, one for income, one for expenses, and one for your monthly overview. These will help keep things clean and organized. Let's set up your income tracker. This will be a simple database where you'll log income sources, dates, amounts, and categories. Quick heads up if you're new to Notion. Every table starts with a default column called Name, and it's locked as the title property. You can't delete it or change its type, but you can rename it to something like Income Entry or Description and just use it normally. It's a small quirk in Notion, but once you know it, it's easy to work with. Now, go ahead and add a few more columns. A date column, a source column for where the income came from, an amount column, set the property type to number, and a category column using select, like salary or side hustle. Once that's done, we'll copy the same structure for the expense tracker. Just adjust the categories to things like food, rent, subscriptions, and so on. With both trackers in place, you'll start seeing exactly where your money flows each month. Now, here's where the magic happens. AI-powered insights. To let AI understand my spending habits, right under the monthly overview AI-powered section, I just select and copy the last 30 days from the income tracker, paste it, then do the same with the expense tracker. But make sure to paste both into a text block first before activating AI. Why? Because once you trigger Notion AI, the prompt window resets. So here's what I do. Copy 30 days of data from the income tracker, paste into a text block. Then copy 30 days of data from the expense tracker, paste it right below the income data in the same text block. Select all the combined data and press the spacebar to trigger Notion AI. Then I ask a question like, what category am I overspending in? Which week had the highest expenses? Or, how can I optimize my budget for next month? And Notion AI gives me actionable insights, kind of like having a personal finance coach built into my dashboard. But what if you don't have Notion AI? No problem. Just copy your data and paste it into ChatGPT or screenshot like I did. Let's use the same prompts and see who performs better. Same questions, same data. But here's the twist. ChatGPT's responses are noticeably sharper. It offers clearer tips, more accurate category breakdowns, and even points out patterns I hadn't noticed. Even though it's a bit less convenient copying data over, ChatGPT makes up for it with smarter insights. So whether you're using Notion AI or ChatGPT, you're giving your money a thinking partner. Now let's add a quick goal section. For example, May savings goal $200, and actual saved. You can set different goal types like spending limits, etc. Once your dashboard is ready, click Share and then Publish to Web. Don't forget to enable Duplicate as Template. This lets others use your setup instantly. I've done that for you already. Links in the description. And just like that, you've built your own smart finance dashboard. No subscriptions, no feature paywalls, just full control over your money. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the exact template I built. It's free and linked below. If this kind of real-life AI solution is helpful, be sure to subscribe. Because next, we're testing what happens when I automate my daily life using AI, from meal planning and habit tracking to budgeting and mental wellness. Spoiler, some of it actually worked better than I expected. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.